How to fix Viber not sending any images or photos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Viber not sending any images or pictures. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now there can be many reasons why this problem occurs. The first can be your Wi-Fi connection. So simply head over to your control panel and then head over to your Wi-Fi. You can simply try to disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, and if that does not work, try to turn on your airplane mode and turn it off. After you do that, try to use your Viber again. If it's still facing the same problem, head back and head over to your app store. Search for let me search for Viber, and after you find Viber, just check if there is an update available. If you do have an update, make sure that you update to the latest version, as there might be a bug or issue with the older version, and that might be the reason for you not being able to send any pictures or photos. So just update your Viber and head back to your Viber and check if the problem persists. If the problem is solved, that is basically it. But if it does not get solved, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings and head over to general on your settings. Head over to iPhone storage, and under there you should find your Viber. So simply search for Viber and open it up. There you should find offload app. Tap on offload app, and then that will simply clear all your cache. Reinstall the Viber app and then log into your account again, and you should not have the same problem again. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.